Hello and welcome. Before anything else, take a slow, deep breath and allow yourself for a few moments to arrive here without rushing towards anything. There is nowhere to reach right now, nothing to improve, nothing to solve. Only this moment, this breath, this quiet experience of being alive. Sometimes we move through life so quickly that we stop truly seeing it. Days pass, seasons change, light moves across the sky, and yet the mind remains elsewhere, thinking, anticipating, remembering, comparing, and slowly life begins to feel distant. Not because beauty disappeared, but because attention became covered by noise. In yogic philosophy, there is this idea of Maya, the veil of illusion. Not illusion as something unreal, but the tendency of the mind to become so occupied with thoughts, identities, worries, and projections that we no longer experience life directly. We stop seeing what is here. The warmth of the sunlight on the skin, the movement of air, the quiet rhythm of breathing, the simple presence of being. And perhaps this is why so many people feel disconnected today. Not disconnected from information, but disconnected from immediacy, from aliveness itself. The yogis understood something subtle. The mind does not only shape our thoughts, it shapes the quality of our perception. When the inner world becomes restless, distracted, overstimulated. Even the simplest moments lose their depth. And this is why the practice of saucha, often translated as purity or clarity, becomes so important. Not purity in a rigid or moral sense, but clarity of perception. A return to simplicity, a clearing of unnecessary mental noise. So that life can once again be experienced directly. Perhaps wonder was never lost. Perhaps the mind simply became too full to notice it. Take another slow and deep breath. Feel the air entering the body, the chest gently expanding, the subtle movement of life breathing through you. In yoga, this living moment is called prana, the vital energy of life itself. Prana is not something distant or mystical. It is the quiet aliveness moving through breath, through sensation, through the warmth of the body, through the beating of the heart. And the more present we become, the more sensitive we become to this living current. Many people today feel exhausted, not only because they are busy, but because attention is constantly fragmented, pulled in every direction. Screens, noise, endless stimulation, endless comparison. The nervous system rarely has the opportunity to simply rest inside the experience of life itself. And so even beautiful moments pass unnoticed. The sunset becomes background. Summer air becomes ordinary. Silence becomes uncomfortable. But when awareness slows down, something begins to open again. A kind of quiet sensitivity, the feeling of sunlight on your face, the sound of wind moving through trees, the calm of early morning. Small things begin to feel alive again. This is not because the world suddenly changed, but because attention returned to presence. In the yogic path, there is also the principle of santosha, contentment. But contentment does not mean forcing happiness. It does not mean pretending life is perfect. Santosha is softer than that. It is the quiet ability to remain open to the moment without constantly demanding that it become something else. To sit beneath the sky and allow the moment to be enough. To breathe without rushing towards the next experience. To feel alive without needing to transform the moment into achievement. And perhaps this quiet contentment is what allows wonder to return naturally. Not the intense excitement we often chase, but a gentler form of joy, a peaceful intimacy with life, a feeling that this moment, simple as it may be, already contains something complete. Maybe wonder is not something we create. Maybe it appears on its own when the mind becomes quiet enough to notice life again. So, for a moment, allow yourself to soften. Let the future rest. Let comparison rest. Let the endless movement of thought become less important, and simply remain here, breathing slowly, feeling the body, listening to the silence between sounds. Allow yourself to notice the subtle beauty that has always been there. The quiet miracle of breathing, the warmth of the light, movement of life within you. Not extraordinary things, just this moment, experienced fully. And perhaps that is enough. Perhaps beneath all the noise, beneath all the searching, life has been waiting patiently for your attention to return. Not somewhere else, here, in this breath, in this light, in this simple experience of being alive.